Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Merry Christmas, guys. So today is Get Cooking With Me. New recipe, this big fat turkey, yes. So actually in Europe, we don't really celebrate Thanksgiving. Instead, we cook turkey for Christmas. And we make a special kind of turkey, which is stuffing with chestnut. So we call it dinde marron. And I'm going to show you how we make it. I hope it's good because it's actually my first time making it too. So what we're going to need, some chestnut, of course, 300 grams. 300 grams is, I don't know the equivalent, like all the nerdy out there, you can do your math, and otherwise I'll just put the equivalent in pounds below. Salt, pepper, 125 grams of butter, and then 4 little cubes of butter again to put on the turkey. This is ground chicken. It's 300 grams as well. So you can just, memorize 333. 300 grams of ground chicken. I replaced it because usually people put ground sausage, if you call it that way. But I'm trying not to eat pork. I know I still eat meat, but this is like once a year. And toast. So about like 225 grams of toast that you're gonna smoosh into 15 centiliter of milk, okay? And what I've done is I've already cut, what you do is you cut all the border. So you only have the soft side of the toast, and you just mush it into the milk, and you just leave it like that. And so, what else? Shallots, thyme, bay laurel, and broth. Vegetable chicken broth. I'm using chicken broth, and 15 centiliter as well. That's for the turkey, for it not to be dry, And we're gonna add, before putting the turkey in the oven, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I think that's pretty much it. So let's do it. Oh, and I forgot the last thing, but that's like serving, it's like option. If you want to add some potato, that will be afterwards. Okay, so let's start cooking. So I'm adding the butter, some butter, we're going to add in the shallot. Then we're going to put the ground chicken. Again, we're going to let the ground chicken get a little bit cooked. Then we're going to add our toast melted. with the milk, and then the chestnut. Oops. Oh, okay, of course I have to do that. It's okay, it's all good, it's all good, it's all good. So we said 300 milligrams as well. And there you go. And then we're gonna add salt and pepper. And thyme. All right, so the stuffing is ready. And the turkey is ready to be stuffed. Maybe this is better. I don't know. Seems like it's kind of a pain in the ass to put this in here. Oh, there you go. Try to put everything. Just try not to waste. Seriously, dude? Come on, man. Get in there. We'll do it, we'll do it. maybe. Only this left. Get in there. Okay, so the turkey is almost ready to be put in the oven. We're gonna start by putting it for 1 hour, 120 degrees Celsius, okay? So again, the nerdy ones, you can do your math to convert it into Fahrenheit, because I don't know at this point, because I'm already struggling with this. Let's make a prayer before we put it in the oven. Thank you, my turkey, for sacrificing your beautiful body for my family and I to have a wonderful festive Christmas lunch. And may your soul thrive in the paradise of turkeys. And don't worry, you'll be one of the last times I'll be eating one of yous. All right, so amen. So 15 centiliter of chicken broth, vegetable broth. Chicken broth is better, I think. And a little bit of butter. Again, put it in here, in here. In here. In here. And then, where's my bay laurel? It's right here. I'm going to put that here. And then, salt and pepper. 2 tablespoons of oil. So I'm using olive oil, but you can use vegetable oil. It's up to you. Right? Needs to really get in there. Because otherwise the turkey gets dry, so yeah. This is how you do it. Turkey ready to get in the oven to be cooked. See you later. And I have to go, I have to change, and I'm really in a hurry. But yeah, this is my turkey. It's ready anyways, so I have to get this out of here. Turning off the oven, and Merry Christmas, and I hope you enjoy your holidays, and I'll see you soon. Bye.